Hi, it's Lisa. Welcome to No Excuses, Mobility, Maintenance, all kinds of fun stuff. Have you guys ever had a pain in your knee that just wouldn't go away no matter how much stretching you did or foam rolling? Well, here's another level that you can use. First, there's lacrosse balls where you can take the lacrosse ball and we can put it here right above on the bicep femoris head or right here in the IT attachments. We can put some little extra pressure with cross fiber work, right? So we can use this ball and go side to side, up and down. However, sometimes the pain in the knee is from further up in the glute. And so this ball might be useful up on that glute med or piriformis, so we can stick it here, move the glute max out of the way, and then roll onto our side and look for those hot spots where you hit them and you're like, oh! And then what sometimes will happen due to knee pain is it'll be a weak glute, so that means we need to do some more hip extension work. You can also take two of these, put them inside a sock together and use it. You can also take two of them and tape them together, or you can buy one, and I'll link a nice one from Amazon in the description below. And from this, we can start to work on the back right above the glutes, which might be contributing to some issues in there. So we can gently roll with it on either side.
Another way to help manage knee pain is by skin rolling or skin pulling. So we've got the dermis and then fascia and then epidermis and fascia, and we've got muscle and fascia and muscle and fascia and fascia and muscle and fascia, and all that stuff gets stuck in there, so we can manually just pull up and give a little twist to the skin. We can pull sideways and we can roll the skin, and what that's doing is creating some movement in here with the epidermis, the dermis, the fascia, all together. We can go right over that rectus femoris attachment area right here, pulling all the way up the rectus femoris, the IT band, your lateral, and then your medial. You can get all of that. If the quad is tight, it's going to yank up on the knee. You can also go down below into the peroneal area and start rolling. Now you might bruise a little and it might really hurt, but that just means it's pretty stuck. So be patient with yourself. You can only do a few passes at a time, work up to doing it, and hopefully that'll relieve some of that knee pain. If you like what you saw and learned something new, please subscribe and like the video. Share with your friends. Thanks.